Hello and welcome to this program. We're at Rally for the Cure at Sawmill Golf Course. I'm here with Julie Scavo. And Julie, thank you for taking a minute to be with us. You've been involved in this program here at Sawmill for how many years?
Yes, I have. For 12 years. I remember when Nancy came over to me and she said, do you think you could start doing this year? And I said, I'll try it. 12 years later, it's evolving. With your help, it's evolving into something really big, and we're very proud of everything.
Well, I'm excited about it too. Tell us what we're raising money for.
We're raising money for the Susan Komen Foundation, and and we have a local chapter, and you could donate there, or we take the donations here. And I think it's a great organization for any kind of cancer, really.
Now, this is specifically breast cancer, or is it?
Ours is breast cancer, but it's all cancers, they tell us.
Okay. So, in talking to people that maybe missed this year, I mean, this is an exciting year. There's a Jeep out there you can win. A lot of people are here. It's a beautiful day. Sawmill's a great course. But, for next year, let's talk about that for a second already. We want people to be involved. We want to expand this, make it big, especially if you're from the Easton, Phillipsburg, surrounding areas, Lehigh Valley. Get involved. What do you have to say about that?
Absolutely. And we have a lot of new sponsors this year, big sponsors that were happy to sponsor us, and the course is in beautiful shape. It is not much. I will have a date set up by the end of the day for next year's tournament. There should be no excuses if you want to come out and really have a good time. It includes the golf, it includes a meal, it includes a lot of prizes, and a lot of friendships are developed over the years.
Let's talk about some of the sponsors. Can you name a few just off the top of your head?
I have the Marblehead, Chowder House is one, Dick's Sporting Goods, PNC, and I have them all in the brochure for.
Okay, well, they'll be coming up on the screen. I just wonder, because people that want to have their name associated with it, we will be putting this on TV next year as well, and they can get involved early so that we can get them the maximum return for what they're putting in. And it doesn't cost a lot to be a part of this, does it?
No, absolutely not. And the earlier the better, really. And you're doing an awesome job with them, and all the exposure that they will get, it's certainly worth being a sponsor for this kind of a charity event.
Well, let's get on with the day. What a beautiful day. The sun is shining.
Awesome day. I think the golf is going to be good. Hopefully we'll have that hole-in-one on number 7 with our Jeep.
We're at Rally for the Cure. We're at Sawmill Golf Course, and I'm here with Bill. And Bill, you do a lot of things here at Sawmill, and thank you for being a part of this. But today is exceptional in the sense that there's an opportunity here to actually win a Jeep. Let's talk about that and where it came from, because that's sort of your deal here.
Well, the Jeep is presented by Dada Auto Sales up in Penargil, and whoever puts a ball in on number 7 hole wins a Jeep.
Isn't that exciting, though? I mean, everybody thinks they can. When you get there,
Yeah, everybody thinks they can, but it's not easy.
So it's a par 3.
Par 3, yeah, it's about 190 yards.
About 190 yards. So, I mean, it's not an impossible shot. It can be done.
Yes, it can. It's been done before up there.
Yeah. Well, boy, wouldn't it be exciting today to actually see that Jeep? Now, what kind of Jeep is that?
It's a Jeep Patriot.
Okay. Well, it's a nice looking Jeep. It's a brand new Jeep, and we want to thank the good people of what
Dada Auto Sales.
Okay. And they would appreciate you letting them know that they saw you here on the program, and also thank them for putting the Jeep out.
And they wished us luck and hope somebody wins it.
Wow, isn't that incredible? So make sure, if you're not a part of it this year, you get out and be a part of this Rally for the Cure for next year right here at Sawmill Golf Course. We're now joined by one of the sponsors, Todd Smith. And Todd, thanks for joining us. What a beautiful day here at Sawmill Golf Course. Tell us about your business and maybe, why it's a great thing to support a cause like this.
Well, we've supported this cause for many years, breast cancer and different types of tournaments. And I play golf here every Wednesday, so it's kind of a home course for me. We do insurance, notary, insurance with all companies. We've been doing insurance and notary for about 35 years up in Bangor, so we've been around a long time.
Well, we want to thank you for being a part of this. What do you think about number 7? Is that looking like something we can pull off?
Oh, I'm taking the Jeep home with me.
Okay, just checking to make sure. Would you encourage other people to get involved for next year?
Oh, absolutely. We're going to talk to a number of people that we know that would come out here and be another foursome.
Well, we're going to be expanding our coverage for TV, and we want to make sure all the sponsors get involved. We want them to get involved early next year. So thanks for all your help.
Thank you.
We've been joined by Nick Pugiles from Nick Pugiles Construction. And, thanks for being a part of this, Nick. Rally for the Cure here at Sawmill Golf Course, it's a great cause, isn't it?
Yes, it is. I mean, a lot of people have turned out this year, and it's getting bigger and bigger every year.
And boy, it's a nice day, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's beautiful out.
So what exactly do you guys do? I mean, the name's been around for a while, construction. Tell us what you do.
Well, my father started this business over 30 some years ago. We start with building houses, then we moved into building apartments, and right now we do both. We have Nicholas Court Apartments, and we also build houses. It's under N Pugiles Inc.
Okay, so we want to encourage people to do business with you. You're out here encouraging people to be a part of this, and you heard about that hole number 7 where you can win a Jeep?
Really?
Yeah, if you sink it on 7, you win that. There's a Jeep sitting out there.
That'd be good. I can use something new.
There you go. Well, you want to encourage other people to be a part of this?
Oh yes, definitely. Please come on out here. If you don't play golf, at least come out here and sponsor. It's a fun event. It's for a good cause. Just come on out, take a look around, and even if you don't play, just come on out, sponsor, and just meet and greet people.
We've been joined by Nancy Rose and her husband Bob, and today's an important day at Sawmill Golf Course. I mean, this is the 12th or 13th, the 12th annual.
Yes.
Tell us about Rally for the Cure real quick from your perspective, because Sawmill's looking better all the time, and people just need to get involved.
This has been run for the last 12 years pretty much by Julie Scavo, who is our tournament director, and she has done a fabulous job of holding it together all these years and growing it and raising as much money as we can for the Susan B. Komen organization.
And Sawmill is always open to the public throughout the week, and it's got some great rates, and we just want to encourage people to get involved. There's a lot of sponsors involved this year and a lot more coming for next year. Maybe we just want to encourage people for that.
Yeah, we do. We reach out to the community and hope that they will be part, and they have done a great job this year as usual in sponsoring this and helping us to grow this tournament.
Now let me ask Bob. Bob, you played the course before?
Oh yes, I played.
What do you think?
Oh, I love it. I love the greens, the lush landscape and beautiful scenery.
Well, we're teaming up today. I guess the 4 of us, myself and you guys and my son Andrew, and we're going to go out there. You guys can show us all the ins and outs of how this thing works. What do you think of number 7? Any chance on that Jeep?
I'd have to have a lot of luck to do that. Maybe a miracle, but.
Okay. So what do you think about number 7? That's a doable hole, isn't it?
It is doable, but the harder you try, the less doable it is. So we can only hope.
Yeah. So we want to encourage people to stay involved with Sawmill Golf Course, come out throughout the year, but most importantly, get out and support events like Rally for the Cure. And if you have your own event, it can be hosted right here at Sawmill Golf Course. So Julie, I know we were just talking, it seems like a few minutes ago, but the whole day has gone by. It was a beautiful day. The sun was shining. We're all out here golfing. People were having fun. How do you feel it went today?
I think it went exceptionally well. I think it was one of our best turnouts so far, and the people were happy. They walked out smiling. They came in smiling, left smiling.
You had a lot of good food afterwards. We gave a lot of gifts away. I know, I just to name a few, I know some people, there was Marblehead in different places.
By Southmore, we gave out green feasts. We gave out dinners at Miguel's restaurant. We gave in Marblehead. A lot of places in town donated. And I anticipate that next year, all these sponsors is going to double because they've shown a lot of interest this year. Everybody here left happy. We expect a good turnout.
Well, in wrapping it up, okay, we just want to encourage people for next year to get involved. I guess the Jeep is still available. Nobody nailed the hole-in-one.
No, not yet, but that's...
Nobody came close. They were close. Yes. They were, close.
Absolutely. They were on the green. They were close. But
so I encourage people to get out here this year and practice. What was that, hole number 7?
Number 7.
Yeah.
Yes.
Get out on number 7 and practice and get as close as you can. Get that hole-in-one because, next year will come soon.
Hey, as many times as you want to play, you can come and practice as often as you want. and the more you play, you get rewards for it for doing that. So
Well, we want to thank you for all the hard work you put into it. Did we raise some money today?
we raised a lot of money for the season, like a few $1,000s, and that's after everything is given away and prizes are given away, and we did well.
Tell us who you are and what you're.
My name is Sherman DeSanto. I'm originally from upstate New York near Syracuse, and I just recently moved down here about 8-9 months ago.
You discovered Sawmill Golf Course?
Yeah, about a month ago, and I got in the league, and then this tournament came up, and I got in. Great tournament, great run. Everyone did a great job.
A lot of excited people here today. It was a great, beautiful day. How do you find the course? The course is pretty interesting.
The course is interesting, and it was fun. It's fun. It's
So we
interesting.
want to encourage other people to get involved.
Yeah, course up home is similar to this, but this is a lot better course. This is a lot of fun. Good people. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.